Hi, gonna kind of answer one of my own queries today about the charts. Roll the intro, tell you all about it. Hi, welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Langers. I am the Scruffy Trader. No shock there then. And what I'm trying to do is kind of put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. If that sounds good, please click the little subscribe button. Genuinely helps. And if you've got a query, by all means drop it in the comment section below. So what am I talking about? Well, today is a little bit of a, off the cuff video, shall we say. I mean, none of my videos are ever planned. It's normally I just switch the camera on and away I go. And it's in response to either an email or a comment that I've had from any of the social media that I'm on. And I'm only really on my own Facebook group, you'll easily find me, or my Telegram. Very simple, for the Scruffy Squad. And I get questions constantly. And one of the answers to the questions that I get is one of my little mantras. And you've heard me say mantras many times before. Score, score, stop, all of this. Because overtrading will kill your account. And that's where score, score, stop came from. But another one about looking at the charts and understanding the charts is trade what you see, not what you think. And I say this to the guys quite regularly. But I kind of want to put it into context because I noticed something this morning, because there's also a style of trading that I like quite a lot. When I look at a chart in the main, I'm looking to see if it's overstretched, if it's going to have a retracement point. When it gets to that retracement point, am I going to counter trend or trade with the trend? Many different things. But I'm a visual trader and I trade what I see. I don't trade what I think. And I think next door is having a jolly old time because they've had that drill running all day. Getting on my wick. I'll calm myself down with a nice cup of coffee because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. And I do today because that's giving me a headache. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'll jump on the charts before I get off on one and I shall show you. Now, what I'm going to pull up is a travel and leisure indices. And I know you'll scratch your head and go, what? This ain't Forex. What the hell's big lad doing now? Well, it's actually to show you something that I bang on about quite a lot. And it is literally trade what you see, not what you think. Okay? Because whatever media outlet you listen to, whoever you speak to in the street, will all tell you the same thing. The travel industry is finished. It's gone to the dogs. You're not going to make any money from it. Is that right? Well, let's have a look. So if you go onto your indices, there's actually an indices part of the FTSE. It's the FTSE 350. I put my teeth back on. I haven't had my coffee. Well, I haven't had enough coffee. Twinky's fault. She woke me up really early today. Do you know why she woke me up early today? I'm going to show you. Wait, turn around. Spin around. Come on. Stand up. She got excited today because Next turned up and delivered a new top with a heart on. So she thought she was Wonder Woman and Supergirl running around because it looked like an album. Still not got the bloody bikini though, has she? Yeah. Sorry, I digress.
Hello.
You are physically repulsive, intellectually retarded, vulgar, insensitive, selfish, stupid. You have no taste, a lousy sense of humor, and you smell.
But no, she was that excited she forgot to put the kettle on, had to make meal. Right, sorry. It's a working office and we do have a go all the time. So, what was I saying? Yes, part of the FTSE 350. But there's another section of the 350 called Travel and Leisure, which is here. Pull that up. Now, anybody, as I was saying, will tell you that it is finished. But is it? Because I'm trading what I see, and that is telling me it's going up. But if I traded the way I think, I would be shorting this constantly. Well, take a look. This is going back to March. Look at the greens. They are definitely there and they stand out. And straight away, if I pop on a fib, as I tell you all, oh, there they are. Talking of questions of where they come from, that little pinging and ponging what you hear is the Scruffy Squad banging away. They're a good gram. They really are. They're a good crew. But if I pull that down and move it across, look where the price has gone to. So I'm trading what I see. Well, I see a hammer at the bottom of the solid drop and engulfing next to it, touching a 23.6. And where did it go to? Straight to the 50%. Came away to the 23, back to the 38, back to the 50%, and pushing up into this zone right here. Okay, and the 50 to the 61.8 is the golden zone, because 618 is a golden ratio number. So if you've listened to everybody that's in the media, listen to your pal down the pub, they'd have all told you never to invest in the travel industry. But the chart told you a different story. Trade what you see. And what I saw there was an up move. So I could then drill into each one of those individual companies if I was share dealing, and I could whittle them down to the strongest contenders, knowing their share prices were pretty low and they can only go higher. Or you can trade this basket of stocks and make some money. When you're looking at sort of the FTSE 350, the spreads are pretty high. They're anywhere from 10 to 25, but the movements in them are pretty substantial. I'll show you. So if you were entering on the 23.6, and this is just holding your position for a long period of time, and you held it out to the 50, you're getting over 1,600 points just for basically investing your money for a few months, because it got there June. So there's that, April, May, June, 3 months. So if you put a couple of quid a point on that and then just forgot about it for 3 months, the thick end of 3,000 quid after your sort of taxes or whatever it is you have to pay at the end of the year, because obviously that'll be a good profit. Just something for you to think about, guys. You know, like I say, it was a little bit off the cuff. I just wanted to show you it because it flashed into my mind, and the guys were having a little bit of a chat earlier on. Okay, so I hope that kind of makes sense. And remember, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.